Scots, and happy Friday. I'm Isabel Clegg.
And I'm Kimberly Garay, and let's get into the announcements for today.
First, congratulations to the Avid Senior class for surpassing $800,000 in scholarships, which they have applied. A special shout out to Andrew Meza, Yerizo Garcilazo, Teresa Banger, and Kendra Rutledge, who have each applied to over $100,000.
Second, calling all students 16 and up, Highland will be hosting a blood drive to give back to our community. The blood drive will be held on February 17th. If you are interested in donating, we encourage you to stop by the sign-up booth today during 5th lunch.
Third, congrats to our top 10 readers for our January challenge. Come to the library to pick up your prize. Not on the list? Join us for our February challenge and start reading now. Go to the library or the HHS Library webpage to find out now.
Let's go to a quick commercial break.
Oh, my bad.
Dude, watch out where you're going!
Sorry, I was playing games on my phone.
Get off your phone!
Damn.
Get out of here, dude!
Okay, so yesterday I went to Sephora and they didn't have the. You guys? Hello? Alright.
Christian, what are you doing, man?
Nothing.
Get to work, man. You're a football player. You gotta keep the grades up. Come on. All right, thank you.
Welcome back, Scots. Seniors, did you apply to CSUB? The Cal State Bakersfield Scholarship Program application is now open and closes on February 8th, 2023, 5 p.m. The link is on the screen, so apply now or tell your teacher to pause the video.
It's time for Avid's College of the Week. This week, our school is Hawaii Pacific University. Here are some facts. Number 1, students from over 100 countries study at HPU, making it one of the most diverse campuses in the world. Number 2, Hawaii Pacific provides personalized learning and small class sizes. Number 3, acceptance rate is 83% as of 2021, and HPU has a strong academic programs.
Also, congratulations to Avid Senior Teresa Banger for being accepted to HPU.
Let's go to a quick commercial break.
Here's a reminder for you, Scots, that there's no school during February 13th for Lincoln's Day and February 20th for Washington's Day.
That's it for today's show.
And always remember to plat up at Highland.